We are in blizzard conditions in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. Many of the stores and restaurants are closed. I just came from Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is open, so did make it over there. Just passed. Oh boy, he's gonna. Oh, I hate it when these things are. You don't know if they're gonna come shooting out at you or what they're gonna do. Oh boy. Many of the places are closed. It was nice a little while ago. About half hour ago, it was nice out. There's the oil change place. They are closed. Look at all the icicles on this building. I just have to try to see to get out. These snowbanks here are really big. I guess you can't get out of town if you wanted to. All the highways going out of Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan are all closed. We have, look at this. It's all white. You can't see anything. We have I-75, south and northbound. That's all closed. All of our other highways, Mackinac Trail, US 2, all of those are currently closed, someone just said. We're going to go up this way and see if what's open at the other, what do you call it, shopping center. Walmart is open because they never close. Walmart never closes. And lots of people are going in to shop at Walmart right now, I see. Oh, here comes another plow. Move way over. Looks like some of the trucks must be coming into town now. I'll have to see if my FedEx truck made it. I'll have to go back over to Walmart because they said that they were closing the highways, but maybe they opened them for a little while. Hard to tell. You have to go slow because you can't see where the road is or where it ends.